I wear this Arduino so that it controls the VFD. So I take the ground and the VFD signal from the GRBL pin out. Just find an image online, you can see what pin it is, to this VFD over here, and under this panel where you can see the wires for the terminals. In the description I will put the settings you're going to have to change. I recommend looking at your manual in case you have a different VFD from this one. It could be different, so I'll move this camera here. So how I have it wired up is I have ground going to ACM, power going to VI or V1, I'm not really sure which one it is. That controls that gets a signal from the Arduino to control that. And then I have to have a jumper between DCM and FLR to always lock it at forward. And what I didn't know originally, I don't know how I didn't notice this after like 3 days of working on this. There's a little jumper right there. VI and VR. I had to change that to be between the middle pin and VI. Don't know how I didn't notice that. Because I didn't see it mentioned in the manual or any of the videos I saw online. So, hopefully that'll help anyone who's having that problem. Alright, that's all for today.